Let's make some Cowboy candy, which is pickled jalapeños, candied. They're going to be water-bathed, and it's going to be half pints for 10 minutes and pints for 15 minutes. You're going to wash all these off, and then you're going to core the center. You don't have to get it perfect. I don't get them perfect. But what I use is this. I use this tool, and I go inside and I turn it 3 times. Pull it out, empty it off. I don't get all of the seeds out because I don't want all the seeds out, but I want a bigger majority of the seeds out. Start your water bath now, your water, because it takes a while to boil up. And then next, gloves. You do want to wear gloves when dealing with jalapenos because it will burn your hands. If you don't, it will find every crack. It will find everything. It burns. It burns. It burns. So go ahead and get some gloves on, and I'll come back and we'll get to it. Okay, make sure all of your jars and lids are sanitized. You got to have a hot canner and water. You know, your water bath has to be hot. Your jars have to be hot. Okay, everything's going to be hot because you're going to have hot liquids going over the top of this. Okay, I've sliced up all of my jalapenos. As you can see, I've got sweet ones in here as well, red, yellow, and orange, and all of these. But in the pot, you're going to add 4 cups of apple cider vinegar. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of celery seed. You're going to add 4 cups of brown sugar, 8 cups of white sugar. You're going to add 2 teaspoons of cayenne powder, 6 teaspoons of garlic powder. Okay, so now you're going to make sure that you stir this and make sure you got it on high for a little bit, and then you're going to turn it down to like a medium low. And then I'm just going to show you. I'll put in a cup of honey. Okay, so I've got the honey in here, and I'm scraping the bottom to make sure nothing is burning, nothing is sticking. You got to stir this, okay? We have 2 different sugars in here. This is going to be a sticky mess. I encourage you to wear gloves through this whole process. I'm using actually a cookie sheet instead of a towel to fill my jars because that's how sticky this is. Just keep stirring, and then I'm going to get my jars out, and I'm going to get them out here in a second. But first,